crew, story time. Chapter 2. The big red engine roared out of the station, sirens howling and lights blinking. Wee-woo, wee. The brave firefighters held on tight as they raced to a big smoky building. When they arrived, the chief shouted, "Water on!" Hoses sprayed a rainbow.
Oh, it's so sparkly in here.
Feet in first position, like a little slice of pizza, arms rounded.
Pizza arms, got it. And now...
Helicopter leg.
Oops.
Okay.
Smokestack locked in, ready for operation. Attention, neighbors! Ice cold lemonade, 50 cents a cup. Refreshment rescue incoming. 1 cup coming right up. Here you go. Thank you!
Went exploring already, huh? Okay, sunshine, up we go. That's it, good job. Holding on tight. When you're ready, you can let go. Nice. 1 step, 2, whoops. You're okay, that was a great try. Ready for another go? Come to daddy.
Kittens? Kittens, kittens, kittens! Tiny kittens, fluffy kittens, kittens, kittens! They're so little! Kittens, kittens, wait for me! Kittens, kittens, kittens! Look at all the kittens! Kittens, kittens, kittens everywhere! Kittens, kittens, kittens! Best day ever! Kittens! Huh? Kittens! Kittens, kittens, kittens! So many kittens! Kittens, kittens, kittens! Hi, kittens! Hi, kittens! Kitten, kitten, kitten! Ah! Kitten, kisses! Kittens, kittens, kittens! Kittens everywhere! Kittens, kittens, kittens! Kittens! Kittens, kittens! That's a whole ocean in a window! Look at all those swimmers! Stripy ones, spotty ones, tiny ones wiggling like noodles! Attention, fish! Chief Hamish reporting for duty. You're looking very sparkly today. Carry on! That orange one with white lines, like a traffic cone with fins. And those jelly blobs are floating like balloons at a birthday party. Oh, look at all these tanks! Fish City!
Hey there, welcome in, little fire chief.
Thanks! I'm on a fish rescue mission.
Let me know if you need anything.
Roger that! Look at all those colors! It's like a parade underwater! Attention, fish! Remain calm!
They look calm to me.
That orange one with white stripes like tiny traffic. All right, story time. Once upon a blazing day, a dragon sneezed sparks across the forest. The trees caught fire, whoosh! But the brave firefighters zipped in with their hoses. They worked together, splash after splash, until the fire was out. Good teamwork, right, Patches? Woof! Yep, story time. Let's see what happens next. Once upon a time, the fire bell rang. Bring! The firefighters jumped into their big red truck and zoomed down the street, lights flashing. Smoke swirled everywhere. Hold on, pup. Make way. Fire truck coming through. Library mode. Shh. Woo! The Grand Cookie Chronicles. Okay, muscles, don't fail me now. Whoa. Pictures! Look at those sprinkle shields. Tiny print, no problem. Yes! Wait, shh. Best book ever. I'm definitely coming back. Hey, chapter 1. The Brave Dragon Tamer. Oh. The dragon's breath lit up the sky like a campfire. Whoa! Look at those teeth. And the kid, he's not scared at all. He's only as tall as me. Cha! Shield up. Oops. Next page, next. The brave dragon set the crown upon the princess's head. She read in a hushed, excited voice. Huh? That sounds like chewing. Hey, books aren't snacks, Sonny. Give me that one. Yuck, so soggy. Okay, try this instead. It's a chewy book, totally baked. Watermelon beats cookies any day. Watermelon balls into the jars. They're like juicy gems. Cannonball, more like melon ball. All aboard the Melon Express. Ta-da! A watermelon? Yes, please! Oh, it's a mega melon! Ride the melon wave. Best snack ever. I love you, watermelon! All right, crew, sand station incoming. Shovel team, let's roll. Pack a tight doorway right here. Water blast in 3, 2, splash. Tower crew to the top. Keep it steady. Engine 1, do it. How tiny crab. My tummy feels all wobbly. I don't want to sit. I'm the chief. I gotta keep ordering stuff.
Easy, Chief. Even heroes need a break. You're looking a little warm. How about some water?
But I'm still the chief. Check. Sunglasses, check. Swimsuit, double check. Now for the cuddly crew. Huh? Where's Rainbow Teddy? And my Arctic seal, Rainbow Teddy? Seal buddy, you packed yourselves already? Day of ballet. I'm ready to twirl.
Good morning, sweetheart. Find a spot at the bar.
Slippers secure, power levels rising.
Feet in first position, arms rounded like you're holding a balloon.
Balloon? Easy peasy. Huh? Kittens? Kittens! 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 Oh, fluffy kittens! Tiny kittens! 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 Kittens on my lap! Kittens on my knees! Kittens everywhere! Kittens! 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 So many. You cookie crusading again? They were calling my name! Good thing I baked a whole batch. Let's share with Sunny, okay? Yes, please! One for you, little sprout. Baba! Tower time! Your block, Sunny. My tower's gonna touch the ceiling! Whoa, easy, Chef. Alright, crew, this is our firehouse. Let's build it big and strong. Engine 5, we got a blaze at the bakery. Ladders up, water on. Psh, soak those flames. Hot spots clear? Home sweet firehouse.